Hello everyone, welcome to Bala's kitchen. வணக்கம். நாங்கள் இப்போ chicken Senthoora செய்ய போறோம். Chicken Senthoora. We're going to go and pick some onions and peppers and tomatoes, curry leaves from the garden. Then we're going to come and cut the chicken. I want to get some basil. Garnish. I'm going to get some tomatoes for that. Some green chili. One more basil. And some curry leaves. Curry leaves. Now I am going to wash these things and clean it. Going to use 2 onions. Going to chop the basil. If you guys don't have the basil, you can use the holy basil, that tulsi. You can use 2 tomatoes for 1 kilo chicken. This is 1 kilo chicken. I am going to use 7 of the small tomatoes. This one is like a cherry tomatoes. I'm going to chop 1 extra green chili. The big one. Chop some ginger and put some ginger. Garlic, I will put it together.
Senthoora.
I am going to cut the chicken breast and the chicken thigh. This is almost 1 kilo. I am going to clean it and cut it little bigger pieces and remove the skin and the fat. Okay, now I am going to wash the chicken. And drain the water. Then add half of the onion and green pepper. Here, green chili in here. And all the tomatoes. And the basil. And half of the ginger and garlic. Some whole pepper. 3/4 of the crushed chili. 4 spoons of olive oil. 1. 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of salt. And you mix all of them. You cover it and leave it for 30 minutes to marinate. It's marinated already, so now I'm going to on the stove and we're going to start to cook the chicken Senthoora. Add 2 tablespoons of oil because we already add oil in the chicken. I'm going to add up the onion, rest of the onion and green chili. Stir up until it's get little brown. Add 3/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds, ginger and the garlic, rest of the ginger and the garlic, and add some cinnamon stick or pate. I'm going to use 5 cardamom and 5 of the allspice and 8 of the clove. Crush all these spices like cardamom, cloves and allspice. I am going to add the chicken. To cook on the water from the chicken and the tomatoes. The stove in medium heat. We're going to cook for 20 minutes. Stir up in the middle whenever it's needed. I am going to stir up one more time. Some more curry leaves. Garnish. The chicken Senthoora is ready now. Okay, I'm going to taste it now with the rice. It smells good. Very good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay.